Alright, so in this video, what I'm going to show you is how you can change your homepage of your website. So if, for example, if you go to the homepage of this domain, startupscoach.org, you will see that this is the static website that is actually being displayed for my website. So what I'm going to show you is how to actually change the default of WordPress to the page that you want to change it to. So what you want to do first is look for this little brush, which is the appearance icon. You're going to click on themes. Then you're going to click on customize. You will see that you have these options. So you change the site identity. You will see that that's actually what is displayed on the tab. So you can see that I changed the identity of the site. The next thing that you want to do is actually change the homepage settings. So normally it will be like this on a WordPress installation. That's the way that it looks. But if you change to a specific static page, which you will see that I actually named home, that's actually how I saved it. Then I will go ahead and publish it. And at this point, that's really all you need to do. And at this point, you have the page published, and you can just save it, and you're pretty much done.